Hello everyone, today we'll explore how to find the maximum value in an array and analyze its time, space, and complexity. Let's get started. First, explaining the algorithm. The goal of this algorithm is to find the largest value in an array by scanning through all its elements. Initialize a variable. Example, max value is store the maximum found, so set it to the first element of the array. Second, iterate through the array, comparing each element with max value. Example, if the current element is greater than max value, update max value. After the looping ends, the max value will contain the largest number in the array. Example, given the array 3, 7, 2, 9, 5, the final result which is 9. Why it is 9? Because first, initialize max value with the first element. Second, which is the starting max value is 3, and compare its element with max value and update each if necessary. Our current element is 3, 7, 2, 9, 5, and max value before 3, 3, 7, 7, 9, and start comparison. Starting value if 7 greater than 3, update it, and 2 less than 7, no update. 9 greater than 7, updated, and 5 less than 7, no update. And max value after is 37799. Since no number is greater than 9, it remains the final answer. And now we proceed the time complexity analysis. The algorithm iterates through all linear elements. Its comparison takes constant time. The total number of operations equal linear comparisons. Big O notation equal linear complexity. In the worst case, the algorithm must check all elements which give a linear complexity. And now, we discuss about space complexity. The algorithm only uses one extra variable, max value, which is no additional data structure. Example, array, list, and etc. are used based on constant space complexity. Regardless of input size, the space usage remains constant. That's all, and to God be the glory.